Welcome to 2-Minute Physics on the topic of heat. In this episode, we will be covering heat and temperature. Temperature is a means to measure the amount of heat, which is how hot or how cold an object is, usually done with a thermometer. The unit of temperature is measured in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit most of the time, but in scientific studies, we measure it in Kelvin. This part of converting units in degrees Celsius to Kelvin is particularly important. If we have 0 degrees Celsius, we have 273 Kelvin. If we have 100, we have a 373, we have a 25, we have a 298. If we have a 0 Kelvin, that is equals to negative 273 degrees Celsius. In the end, we can conclude that to convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin, we can do it by simply adding 273 to its temperature in degrees Celsius. It is just that simple. Next up, we will talk about the relationship between heat energy and temperature. Temperature is the measure of amount of heat that determines how hot or cold an object is. All particles vibrate. The higher the temperature, the more kinetic energy it has and heat energy it has, the faster it vibrates. As the temperature decreases, the frequency of vibration decreases. As the temperature gets lower, the slower the vibration gets. Until a certain point, it stops vibrating totally. And now it has no kinetic energy at all. It is at the temperature of absolute zero. 0 Kelvin. This is explained by the kinetic theory of gases. Thank you for watching this episode of 2-Minute Physics. Thank you for watching 2-Minute Physics. Please share, like, and subscribe if you like our videos.